I'm Associate Professor Kym Macfarlane and I'm in the role of the Uncle Barry Watson Research Chair as part of the Griffith University Salvation Army Knowledge Partnership. Well, I was a kindergarten teacher from 1976 and I loved working with children and families. It was probably after I had my own children that I became most interested in research, because I became interested in the way children behaved and in how children and families worked in particular contexts. So I wanted to investigate that a little bit more and I decided to become more involved in research. My research interests at the moment are in looking at disadvantaged families. As my role in the Uncle Barry Watson Research Chair, I need to be able to research service delivery for the Communities for Children project. So what I'm doing is doing research to inform their service delivery in their early intervention and prevention programs. What I've undertaken recently is a Circles of Change project, which has stemmed from 2005 from a Learning and Teaching Award at Griffith in 2005, and we also got an Australian Learning and Teaching Council grant from the Carrick Foundation to undertake some research about this particular project. And the Circles of Change model's now become really influential. It's actually not only locally specific, but it's now a national project across Australia. We've just been funded by DIWA to take it across Australia and to train and to develop a best practice guide and to train champions in that respect. My sector is interesting because it's child and family studies, so it goes with children 0 to 18 and their families. There's been great movement in the early childhood sector, and there's been strong movement around the notion of early intervention and prevention. We now know from James Heckman's research that $1 invested now early is $7 saved down the track. So basically there's a big focus from governments and from policy around early intervention and prevention, and that links specifically to the Griffith University Salvation Army Knowledge Partnership.